Hi guys, it's been a long time since I uploaded the tutorial video. I made this frog and it's a tiny frog and it's a no sew, so you don't need to sew except for the adding the details. So I used DK yarn and then 2.75 millimeter hook. You can use any kind of yarn, but make sure to use a hook that's smaller than recommended because it's amigurumi. So I used green, white yarn, and also for the details I used this black embroidery thread and also a red color pencil. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we'll start with the magic ring with green yarn. Magic ring. Into the magic ring we'll make 6 single crochets. And then now is a good time to take your stitch marker and pull and close the magic ring, and into the first single crochet that we made from the first round, we're gonna put 2 single crochets into one stitch. So 1, 2, so that's an increase. We'll make 6 increase. Let's put the stitch marker into the first single crochet of the round so we don't miss the beginning of the round. 2. You should have a total of 12 single crochets increase in every stitch, so 2 single crochets in every stitch. Okay, let's count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Now we're going to increase again, but this time put the first single crochet into the first stitch. Put your stitch marker back in to the stitch. First single crochet stitch. Now after you made 1 single crochet, we're gonna put 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. So just do 1 single, 2 singles all around. We should have 18 stitches. Okay, I'll meet you back then. So once you have the round ready, you have 18 stitches. Take out the stitch marker, put 1 single crochet, now we're gonna make a bubble stitch. So to make 1 bubble stitch, I don't know what it's called, bubble stitch, bubble, okay, whatever. First, yarn over. It's like making double crochet, but you don't finish double crochet. So yarn over, put your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm gonna do this 2 more times until there's 5 loops on the hook. So, 3rd one, 4th one. It's a little tight, but now once you have 5 loops on your hook, you're gonna pull through all 5. Now I'm gonna make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna make 1 more bubble stitch. And then we'll make 11. Oh. Okay, we'll make 11 single crochets. 1. Kind of want to wiggle it like that. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we'll make 1 single crochet in every stitch, so 18 single crochets in total. I'll meet you back when you finish the round. So 1 single crochet in every stitch, so it's 18 single crochets. Okay, once you have your 18 single crochets, we're gonna make 1 single crochet, one bubble stitch, and now 1 single crochet. But get your white yarn ready, because we're gonna change color for the belly. So after the bubble stitch, we're gonna make a single crochet, but don't finish the single crochet because we're gonna change the color. Finish the single crochet with the white yarn, and we're gonna make 4 single crochet with the white yarn that we just connected. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but don't finish the 4th single crochet yet because we're going to change the color back to green. So finish that single crochet with the green color. Now 1 bubble stitch, this bubble stitch is a little messy, but that's okay. Now we're going to make 10 single crochets. I'll see you when I make the 10 single crochet. This is how it looks so far. The eyes, 2 hands. Now for the next round we're gonna make 1 single crochet, and another single crochet, but don't finish that single crochet because we're going to change it back to white. So change to white color. Then we're going to make 6 single crochets. One, 2. Kids are running outside. 3, 4, oops, 4, 5, and 6. Don't finish that single crochet. We're going to change the color back to green. That's the end of white color, so you can cut it and whip in later. I'm gonna cut the white yarn right now. And we're going to make 10 single crochets. I'm going to weave this in as I go. So 1, 2, so make 10 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Oh, interesting. I have extra stitch, I think. Yeah, I do have an extra stitch. I'm sorry. In that case, I have to skip one stitch. Sorry about that, guys. 9, 10. My feet are getting numb because how I'm sitting. Now for the next round we're gonna make 18 single crochets. So 1 single crochet in every stitch. Don't forget your stitch marker, please. I'll meet you back then. Okay, once you have 18 single crochets, we're going to start with a bubble stitch. So the first stitch is going to be the bubble stitch. Okay. Now we're going to make 8 single crochets. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we make another bubble stitch. And then we'll make 8 single crochets. Oops. Almost undone there. Double stitch. 8 single crochets. So 1, 2. Oh, I forgot to put the stitch marker back in. That's dangerous. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we want to stuff the body. I forgot to mention in the beginning, but I'll mention in the description. But you need stuffing. I don't need that much, definitely not. So stuff the body firmly if you can. Okay. This back in. Now we're gonna do decreases. I'm going to do invisible decrease, but you can do normal decrease as well. So to do the increase first, we're gonna put 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Hard to see after bubble stitch, but it's this one right here. 1 single crochet, put the stitch marker back. And now to make a decrease, I'll do the normal decrease first to show you guys how to decrease. Put your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all 3. Okay. Now to do invisible decrease, you're going to put the hook into the front loop only, of the next stitch, and then front loop only. The next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all two. That's an invisible decrease. But I just found out that I skipped one stitch, so skipped one single crochet, so I'm gonna make one single crochet. Sorry about that. So it's gonna be one single crochet, one decrease, one single crochet, one decrease. I also focused on the decrease. So front loop only, front loop only, pull up a loop, and then pull through all two. So one single crochet in the next stitch, decrease, one single crochet, one decrease. So one single crochet and one decrease all around. Then I'll meet you guys back then. Okay, now I took out the stitch marker, so we're gonna do the next round. This is the final round. Okay, so I'm gonna put one single crochet in the next stitch, it's hard to crochet with the stuffing in the amigurumi, but I always find it difficult. I put one single crochet, and then one decrease. I'll just do normal decrease for now. One single crochet, one decrease, one single crochet, and then finally one decrease. Okay, now we're going to close this hole. Take your darning needle. Before that, cut the yarn, but leave a little bit of tail. Now you can take out your stitch marker. Your darning needle, and we're going to close this hole. So to close it, we're going to go in a, what's it called? It's not clockwise, it's not clockwise. I forgot the word in English. It's go to the left, so front loop only of the next stitch, and then front loop only of the next stitch, front loop only of all of the stitches, once you've done that, we're gonna, oh, I made a mistake, not here. Once you've done that, I don't think there's a stitch. Okay, so pull this tight. So now you've closed the hole. I'm gonna put the needle back here. And kind of like the needle here again. I don't know why I did the first. I'm going into the single crochets so it won't come off easy, or it won't come off at all. Sorry about that. I whipped in and cut it and put the yarn in. My camera got too hot, my phone. So you can kind of like do this and do that. Put the bubble stitch stand out. I mean, put the hook in the bubble stitch stand out, like so. And we're gonna put the details. You can do any face, but I'm just gonna do the lazy face, or I can do something else. Let's see. First, put needle in here. Yeah, I like the lazy face. By that I mean like this eye. You can make any face. Doesn't have to be the same, but then I'll make the mouth right here. My daughter is calling for me, so I have to go soon, but sorry, I did that off camera. Okay. Now I'm going to tie these two strings together. Make sure that the two strings come out of the same hole, otherwise it won't hide. I'll tie 3 times. Then cut the rest here. And I'm going to push this in to the hole. So it hides, and now finally we'll put the blush. Size kind of small, like so. I would choose more pink ones, but I just had this red one in my hand. Okay, that's it. So why I made this pattern is because I wanted to have a little tiny frog for my clothes. Like I put the pin here, sewed it, and then I can like put it on my clothes or bags, crochet bags. So yeah, that's optional. You can put like key holder, yeah, keychain. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.